Pleased to have you here, everyone. The best
facial self-tanners
are listed below for online purchase. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this article useful so we can make more top 10 videos in the future.
Alright, it's been 4 hours since I applied Beauty by Earth's Face Self Tanner. I'm already noticing a good amount of color to my face, and it has also helped even out my skin tone and the redness that I normally have. It was really easy to apply. It felt just like a normal face moisturizer going on. It looks like a normal face moisturizer. It actually smells really good. It doesn't smell like normal self tanners that you're probably used to. I'm really happy with it. I'm probably going to use it for all the days when I don't want to wear makeup. And some extra bonuses are that it has a lot of organic ingredients, it's vegan, and it's cruelty-free, which I love.
Three ways I get my beach glow naturally. The Beauty by Earth Self Tanners have the perfect formula for fair to light skin tones. The first way I stay tan is by using their bronzing moisturizer. It feels really moisturizing on the skin and is easy to apply. The second way I keep my glow is their tanning face serum. You can use it by itself or mix it with your moisturizer for a lighter effect. The third way I keep my glow is their bronzing face mist. Just spray it on, rub it in, and you're done. I feel so good when I'm wearing this, I don't even wear foundation.
Sun is up, it's a perfect day. Hit you right on an ocean wave. Take my hand out, show you the way. Saw you talking to somebody, telling them it'll be okay. Got inside that, we're running away. 'Cause you know we're getting lazy now. We're gonna show you how. We'll do it in this perfect day. Get out, show you the way. 'Cause you know we're getting lazy now. We're gonna show you how. We'll do it in the world now. Hop in the truck.
Oh, right, I'm about to try a self-tanner for the first time in my life. I hear great things about Sun Laboratories, so let's see how it works. I start by just doing my legs. I've already shaved and exfoliated. Velvety. How dark is this Sun Laboratory? I'm already seeing the difference. I know, and on the package it says wait for 3 hours, but this already looks really, really good. I know it said wait for 3 hours to see the final results, but like, look at this instant difference.
Hi friends, let's do a little skin routine. I went ahead and applied this Cosmetica Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum, really great for hydrating my skin. Then going in with the Vitamin C Serum, which helps to even out my skin tone and brighten my complexion. Look how nice that texture is. It absorbs so quickly into my skin and gives me such a bright and radiant complexion. This is one of Cosmetica's best sellers and it's only $18. Thank me later.